Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monese, a popular mobile banking app. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, how much money can Monese hold? Before I get into the details, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to access your money quickly and easily, but you didn't have a traditional bank account? If so, then Monese could be a great option for you. Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a variety of features, including a current account with a debit card, the ability to send and receive money internationally, a budgeting tool, a personal loan service, main content. So, back to the question, how much money can Monese hold? The answer is, it depends. There are two main factors that will determine how much money you can hold in your Monese account. Your Monese account type. There are three different types of Monese accounts: Classic, Premium, Business. Each account type has its own limits on how much money you can hold. Classic, £5,000. Premium, £25,000. Business, £50,000. Your verification status. In order to hold more than £2,500 in your Monese account, you will need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing Monese with a government-issued ID document, such as a passport or driver's license. Once you have verified your identity, you will be able to hold up to the maximum amount for your account type. Additional information. You can also use Monese to hold foreign currency. You can withdraw money from your Monese account at any ATM in the world. You can use your Monese card to make payments online and in stores. Monese is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. With its various features and flexible limits, Monese can meet the needs of a wide range of customers. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Monese, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. I'll see you next time.